Affiliate marketing truly changed my life. And to say that I was once a person that was living paycheck to paycheck, to trying different side hustles and hoping that it was going to be that life-changing thing, to now living my dream life, driving my dream car, being able to do the things that I've always wanted to do for my kids, I got to share this with you because I don't know if you've been praying for a solution, you've been praying for a way out. Baby, one little investment changed everything for me, and it's opened up so many different doors for me. And if it can do it for me, I know it can do it for you. Hey everyone, my name is Sierra Janae. I'm a wife and mom of two, and I usually get on here to show moms how to make money online with digital marketing, affiliate marketing, and just learning how to create passive income online. In today's video, I'm so excited because we are going to be talking about the program that literally changed everything for me, that I got started with, that I honestly thought was too good to be true. I thought it was a scam. I thought it was a pyramid scheme. But baby, when I tell you it wasn't, and it was the best decision that I could have ever made. And I want you to know about it too. Before I even started, I was trying to sell my own products and nobody was buying them. It was because I didn't know marketing. It was because I didn't know how to position myself. I didn't know wording. I didn't know sales psychology. I didn't know where to find my buyers. But once I went in and dived into this training, and this is why sacrifice is so important. A lot of people want this overnight success, but they're not willing to put the work in. If you actually put the work in, put the time in, and really just focus on longevity in this. Yeah, we all want a quick fix, but at the same time, I'm so grateful for the time and energy that I put inside of my business because I have reaped the benefits. Today we're going to be talking about Digital Wealth Academy, and Digital Wealth Academy is a online course where you can learn all things digital marketing, literally A through Z. You can learn how to monetize yourself online. This is the best time, the best moment to pull out that phone that you got, that you always own anyway, and make money from it. But I don't know about you, for so long I had been so overwhelmed. I had been broke. I was tired of living paycheck to paycheck. I dived into so many different side hustles, and I felt stuck. I felt like, man, why isn't this happening for me? Why it ain't working for me? I see so many people doing this. I tried YouTube. I was on there. I was consistent for a while. Wasn't nobody fucking with me. I tried UGC. I tried Airbnb. I tried real estate, but nothing ever worked for me like DWA. And so today I wanted to talk about the program and what you'll learn inside, because there's so many amazing skills inside of here. So like I said, if you are overworked, if you feeling stuck, if you have been looking and praying for a way out, baby, this is it. And I'm gonna help you get started, okay? So inside of Digital Wealth Academy, all video instruction, and let me just say, when it comes to this video instruction, baby, this ain't no play. This the real thing. Video instruction that makes it easy for you to follow. And this training inside of here is going to show you how from scratch. Like, if you've never had any experience, honestly, it's almost better. They literally walk you step by step on how to start your digital product business. And if you don't know what digital marketing is really any form of online promotion of courses, books, any product that you can order off a line, y'all, is a form of digital marketing. And did you know that a lot of people do some form of affiliate marketing every single day, but you just don't get paid for it? When you be recommending your homegirl to go check out Zara because they got them fire ass jeans, and she go and go get them, baby, that was a form of affiliate marketing that you did not get paid for. And that's the thing. Everybody is already doing this, but a lot of people, when they hear that term digital marketing, digital products, they freak out. Y'all, they are getting rid of textbooks in schools. Okay, this is how powerful digital products are and online products are. People want information instantly, and the key to digital marketing is solving people's problems. Okay, and now when you hear the word problem, you kind of freak out and you're like, problem? Like, what the hell? It ain't got to be nothing negative. As a mom, I was overwhelmed. I was stuck. I had tried so many different side hustles and I wasn't getting anywhere. I wanted to make passive income. My husband was working 2 full-time jobs, and I felt like, man, I need to do more to support him, but I don't want to go get no another job, baby. And so that was the problem. So when I seen someone that was positioning, hey, you can learn these skills at home, you can learn these skills with your kids, it was worth the investment. And that is exactly what I do. I help moms get out of survival mode. I help moms create passive income so they can go trick all their money on their kids, because that's what we want to do. Okay, if we want to go to Disneyland 10 times a year, we're going to do that. And you can do that as well. So inside of Digital Wealth Academy, there's so many different video instruction, individual courses that you can learn. You're going to learn branding. You're going to learn marketing. You're going to learn how to use Canva, which is going to be game changer for you, right? If you want to learn email marketing, they got you. If you want to learn how to create your own digital product, they got you. You're going to learn how to create attractive content, okay? Yes, you can post whatever and everything is content, but there's a way that you do it. There's a way that you say it. There's a way that you write your captions in order to get people to work, y'all. If I'm gonna be completely honest with you, all of this information absolutely is on YouTube, but the time you try to compile it all together and try to put it all together, you're gonna be overloaded and you're not gonna know where to start, and then you're gonna quit. So the really cool thing that I love about DWA is they also include this digital wealth bot, and it's perfect for beginners. I always tell all my people, like, when you get inside of DWA, just like as you're watching this video right now, when you download DWA, because I know you're going to get it today, be sure to go in and check out this digital wealth bot, because it literally is ChatGPT, a search engine for DWA, to help you be successful in this program. So literally you can go in like this and type in, hey, it's my first day inside of DWA, I don't know where the fuck to start. Give me a game plan of the modules, so that way you don't try to go in there, go through all those modules, get overwhelmed, and be like, never mind, I don't even want to do this. I'm so grateful to be also a part of this community because it has a community feature. People that are going through the same things that you're going through, having the same struggles that you're going through. Y'all, we all start off not knowing what we're doing, and that's the really cool thing about this program. So it's an affiliate program. It's 85% commission, which is crazy, because I don't know if you ever heard of affiliate marketing like Amazon or different brands where you can work with and have your own unique link and make money from. Typically it's like 3%, 5%. The most I've ever got affiliate was 30%. DWA is 85% commission. So every time you sell this program, you make $422. I just recently attended a DWA event, and when I tell you it went crazy, it went crazy. But it's so important to also just change your community. For a lot of us, we have that dream, we have that goal, but sometimes our environment will hold us back. When you're around people who make more money than you, when you're around people that are actually doing things with their life, that shit gonna spread. And I don't know about you, baby, I want that energy, okay? I've been able to do so many amazing things ever since I've started Digital Wealth Academy, but don't just take my word for it. Not only have I made over $200,000 with DWA as a complete beginner, but it's just amazing seeing all these other people in here killing it as well. But it starts with you taking that first leap. It starts with you getting rid of that fear. So what? Who cares what your family says? And the really cool thing about it is, if you are a shy person, you can do this completely faceless, y'all. AI is taking over. You can create your AI twin, or you can create intentional content where you're not necessarily showing your face. So there's really no excuse on why you haven't started. I definitely want to explain to you how this works. I know a lot of people are always like, but how am I going to do it? Everybody always talks about it, but how am I going to do it? So what you're going to do is, when you purchase Digital Wealth Academy, right, you're going to get inside there, you're going to learn the skills. I always tell people, realistically, give yourself a week or two to learn it. Mainly the first page. There's a lot of information inside of Digital Wealth Academy, okay? So that's going to be the first thing, is learning the information. Like I told you, they have this wealth bot in there. Great to use. Definitely use it, because it's worth it. It literally will help you and guide you, so you don't have to go through any extra modules that you don't feel need to do, okay? But the next thing that you're going to do is, you need to know, who do you want to help, okay? Really get clear on that. Who do you want to help? Okay, and if you don't know who that is, who are you? Are you a mom? Are you a dad? Are you a college student? Are you a burnt out 9-to-5, or whatever that is? Okay, if you're not comfortable with, I don't know who I want to talk to, then talk to yourself, okay? When you try to talk to everybody, you don't reach anybody. So start there, okay? Once you determine who that is, then you're going to either create a new Instagram page and a YouTube page, or you can repurpose or like rebrand your current page, because you already have followers, right? You definitely are going to want to create some kind of freebie, some kind of thing that's going to attract people in, because, you know, people might not come out of the gate wanting to buy a $500 product from you, and that's completely normal, right? So you want to, again, make this about you. Now, inside of Digital Wealth Academy, they do have this PLR Vault, and if you don't know what PLR is, that stands for private label, right? And those are products like ebooks and guides that you can resell for 100% profit as your own. You can edit them and customize them and make it your own, or you can learn how to create your own product. And inside of Digital Wealth Academy, they have a module on that where they show you how to do that. Freebies can be simple. You want to put value in them, but you want to keep it simple, okay? So it could be, hey, maybe you're a nurse. Maybe you can create a free guide or a free must-have ChatGPT for nurses. Maybe you're a mom. Here are 5 game-changing productivity hacks that all moms should know, right? And that is going to be the fastest way that you attract your audience. If you don't be out here trying to, here's how you go on Instagram and you got 5 followers. Like, we got to make it make sense. But you're going to create something and cater something to your specific niche, to your specific brand, because that is your audience, and that's what's going to bring them in. And then you can use different apps like ManyChat. I personally use StanStore. to auto DM people when they comment on your reels. But the biggest thing, y'all, is the content creation and being real with that and having fun with that, because that's how you're going to get visibility on your brand. Okay, so we got your freebie. We're creating content. Now I got to talk about live streaming, y'all. People want to see people in the flesh. Okay, people want to see how it works, and one cool thing is utilizing live stream. Now if you a shy girly, a shy man, or whatever like that, you definitely can get on there, flip the screen around, and show people the value that they're going to get inside of Digital Wealth Academy. Show people that they will never be broke another day in their life. And then what you're going to do is you're going to start posting and creating content. You're going to create content. It doesn't have to be anything aesthetic. If you check out my page, you'll notice I film my everyday moments as a mom, because I got to do the laundry, I got to load the dishwasher, I got to help my kids with their homework or whatever, but I film those moments, and then I put educational text on the screen. I put controversial text on the screen. Now they show you all how to do all of this inside of Digital Wealth Academy, but I just want to explain to you what you're going to be doing. So when you do that, this is what's going to bring eyes and visibility to you, because I know you're probably wondering, well, if everybody is selling DWA, how am I going to be able to sell it? Your uniqueness is what's going to make you stand out, and what is going to make people come to you, buy from you, like you, trust you. Okay, people just need to see the value in the program. Short form content is one of the fastest ways to get visibility on your business. If you have a YouTube channel, film behind the scenes of how you're starting this new business. People love a come up story, y'all, so that's a great way to get visibility on your business as well. Okay, but content is everything, and inside of DWA they go over content creation, they go over how to create viral reels, how to create content to get those eyes on you. Okay, then the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to show up. You're going to show up consistently, okay? Because it typically takes people to see you 7, 8, 9, 10 times before they buy from you. So, okay, so with that consistency, not only are you just posting, you want to have fun when you're posting. You want to believe in what you're posting, okay? And when you're creating content, you want to really put your true feelings behind it, because that is what's going to make people move. That's what's going to make people buy. Okay, and when you do that, I'm telling you, it makes a whole lot of difference. People can definitely tell when you faking the funk and you putting out fake energy. So be sure to do that. Okay, and those sales are definitely going to roll in. Okay, I personally recommend DWA just because it's not only the fastest growing digital marketing course online, the quality and the information is there. I don't know about y'all, but have you ever downloaded some shit and you like so excited, you hype, and then you get in it, you're disappointed? I have never had not one person that has gotten DWA that was disappointed. Now they might have gave up, I'm gonna be completely honest with you, but they never was disappointed because the quality and the information. You have lifetime access to all of these modules. You also get master classes taught by an 8-figure earner weekly, okay, that are included. This person charges $10,000, okay, but that's also included inside of Digital Wealth Academy. The modules are constantly updated. Like I said, we had an event, you can get free merch, and just the community. Because I believe in this program so much, I also include my mentorship as well. I know you can be successful. This program has truly changed my life, and I know it can change yours as well, but you got to take that leap. You can't be scared. What is the worst thing that can happen if you believe in yourself? And if you don't take anything from me, I want you to really think about this. So many people are so quick to want to go back to school, go back to college, right? And there's nothing wrong with that. That's great. But if you decide that you don't want to do anything with that degree, all you're left with is debt and having to pay that off. The one cool thing about at Digital Wealth Academy is when you invest in this program, rather you decide if you want to resell it or not, you always have that in your back pocket. If you start and then stop, you always have this side hustle. And I'm telling you, the quality, the information that's inside this program is well worth over $3,000. Learn digital marketing, learn affiliate marketing, learn high income skills today so you'll never be broke another day in your life. I'm telling y'all, content creation is not going anywhere. It's just going to get bigger. AI is just going to get bigger. Affiliate marketing is just going to get bigger. This is the time to hop into this, and I'll be happy to help you in your journey. I want to help you on your journey. So if you are ready, be sure to click the link down below and grab DWA now. You can definitely get it on a payment plan. That's how I started, and you can start earning while you're learning, y'all. Okay, you can change your life in a few months, but it starts with you saying yes. It starts with you saying, you know what, why the fuck not? Okay, but all right, y'all, I hope that answered all of your questions in regards to how to learn how to make passive income. I'm telling you, going the done for you affiliate marketing route is going to be your fastest way. And I really just want to leave you with this. A lot of people struggle with making money because they haven't made any money. When you make money, I'm telling you, it's an immediate confident booster. And once you sell one, you can sell two. Once you sell two, you can sell four. Once you sell four, you can sell 400, baby. Okay. And if I can do it, you can do it too. So click the link in the description, grab DWA today, and I'll be sure to help you on your journey. I can't wait to see you take off and make all this money. Can't wait to see the impact that you make, but change your life today. It's possible, okay? All right, y'all, if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe before you leave, and I will see you on the next one.
She ain't no diva. She ain't no diva. It's a female version of her.